Hello English learners! This video is for those of you who like cooking. I think combining English learning with cooking is a great idea. If you cook with your kids sometimes, it is also a good way to encourage them to learn English. I picked 4 videos. 3 of them are from famous cooking shows and one is with Florence Pugh, a talented British actress trying 13 British dishes. She does it in such an artistic and charismatic way that you will fall in love with British cuisine immediately. I made exercises to all these videos for a pre-intermediate level. These exercises will help you understand the videos better, memorize new vocabularies, practice some problematic grammar issues, and of course, cook delicious food. I recommend you to look through the tasks first, then watch the videos, and then complete the tasks. The first chef I would like to tell about is Gordon Ramsay. He has the most colorful personality among all these chefs. But I have a strong feeling that a big part of it was created for the shows he presented. For me, kitchen is a synonym of peace and serenity, but it seems to be too boring for TV producers, so that a conflict is a pivot in many of Ramsay's shows, like in his famous Hell's Kitchen. Ramsay is known for his bluntness as well as fiery temper and strict demeanor. I think it must be scary for people who made him angry, since he has a black belt in karate. He presents himself as an adventurous person. For example, he was held at gunpoint during an illegal fishing investigation when he traveled to Costa Rica as a part of the Big Fish Fight TV show. In 2008, Ramsay was in Iceland where he fell into icy water when filming his program. He reached the surface of the water by removing his heavy boots and waterproof clothing. His film crew, who rescued Ramsay by throwing him a rope, reported that he was underwater for at least 45 seconds. He also went to prison, but not because he committed a crime. He appeared there to film his show. During one episode of The F Word, Ramsay cooked in Doncaster Prison in Marshgate for its inmates. The chef was so impressed by the speed at which a prisoner, Kieran Tuff, chopped vegetables that he offered him a job at his restaurant following his release in 2007. To his credit, it should be mentioned that he doesn't only cook, fight and swear, but also takes part in various charity programs. He is also a good father of 5 kids. They spent a lot of time together in the kitchen, which resulted in the series Gordon Ramsay's Simple at Home Recipes. Since I like peace in the kitchen more than fights and arguments, I recommend it first of all. You can find a lot of episodes on YouTube. It is almost certain that you know Jamie Oliver, an energetic British chef whose movements around kitchen appliances resemble the movements of a conductor in the front of his orchestra. He's a character too, but not in as tough and rough way as Gordon Ramsay. We often see him in family scenery, But he was extravagant enough in his family life to give quite unusual names to his 5 children, like Poppy Honey Rosie or Petal Blossom Rainbow. Many people associate Jamie Oliver with the television, but he has also become a successful writer of cooking books. Not only is he the best-selling author of cookery books in the UK, but he is also the second best-selling author in the UK overall. J.K. Rowling, the author of the Harry Potter series, is the only British author who has sold more books. I like many Jamie Oliver's programs, but I especially enjoy his Italian trips and dishes. He tries to find local recipes and great unknown home cooks. I also recommend Jamie's 15-minute meals. The third chef I would like to present is Rick Stein. He is more sophisticated and intellectual. So if you want not only to cook, but also to learn something interesting about history and culture, Stein's program is an excellent source to do it. You can find a lot of the episodes from Great Railway Journey, French Odyssey, Mediterranean Escape, Long Weekends, programs about Spain and India on YouTube. I also recommend his fish programs. Since he was born in a seaside town, he has a special love for these sea towns and cooking fish. If you are looking for a good fish recipe for your dinner, Rick Stein's program is the best way to find it. And finally, a few words about Florence Pugh, who is an actress, not a chef, although she started shooting her cooking blog on Instagram during the pandemic. She is as artistic when she talks about food as in her films, which I strongly recommend as well. Her first well-known role was in Lady Macbeth, a dynamic, shocking and visually powerful movie. I like her charming character in The Little Drama Girl, which portrays an actress occasionally involved in espionage story. This film is a careful and aesthetic reconstruction of the 70s, based on the John le Carré's novel. Please read John le Carré's book first, so that you will be able to enjoy this gripping psychological novel first and the film next. Her last work, in Little Women, is very interesting, convincing, and the film is definitely worth watching. So hope this video was useful and it will help you to discover and enjoy and cook and learn English at the same time. Thank you for your attention.